Hello, today we're going to be talking about how to use HubSpot's content remix tool for video clips and more. If you're not familiar with the content remix, it is part of the Content Hub and you have to be a pro user or enterprise user to access it. It's very helpful. It allows you to take one piece of content and repurpose it to use across various channels. You can take a web page, image, audio, and then create other content specifically from it. And to do that, you can just go into content and then go down to remix. And then from there, you can either choose a template that's already there for you, or you can just go ahead and create one from scratch, clicking on Start Remixing. Let's try that. And all you have to do is click Add Content and decide what type of content you already have that you want to start from. Web page, audio, image. In this case, I want to use video because just recently they added in the ability to create some video clips from this, which has been really helpful if you're trying to kind of build out video marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and browse file, and let's use this old video that I had that's about 3 minutes long called How to Create Reports in HubSpot with AI. We're going to add that content in. And so it pulls it in for you here, that initial piece. And then from there, you click the plus button to decide, what do I want to create from this? And it's creating it using AI. And I want to create maybe a video clip. Let's create a blog post, an image, and a social post. And click next. And then if you want, you can actually tell it, what do you want it to use? Like what are some keywords that you want to give to AI to create these things? So this one, I want to just say a short clip, say highlighting key points. For the video clip, you can decide the aspect ratio. I'll just keep it as 1, and I'm going to say that this is for Facebook. For blog post, you could say, put something in to describe it. I'll put in a quick note there. And decide how long do you want the blog post to be. I'll keep it at medium. Image, I'm going to let AI decide for that one. Why not? And then for social, let's just say for this, write a post announcing this new feature. And then go ahead and click generate. And then when you do that, it's going to start generating those new pieces of content for you completely from AI, very quick. See how fast it's going. This really helps to save you time to kind of just, get your mind working a little bit and making it easier for you to do your job in marketing. So let's see, here's a social post that pulled up and it's going in and it's announcing this brand new feature, very quick, very easy. And if you like it, you could just save and edit it in the app. So if your social is connected, just click this button and it'll allow you just to edit it specifically in the app and then go ahead and post it for you through HubSpot. Let's see, we have an image that came up. This image is okay. Not too bad. It has AI in there, it has reporting. So maybe you like it, maybe not. You could always regenerate it. Let's see what else we have. We have a blog post that was completely created from scratch by reading the video text that was there, and they were able to put together a medium length post. Not too bad. This just saves you so much time in regards to writing content. So it's very helpful. And if you like it, you can just go ahead and save and edit an app. And my favorite new feature is this video clip one, which tells you this is about a minute-long clip. And you can actually save and edit this one in the app. And what's really nice about this is that this is all text-based. So you can go in and decide, what do I want to do specifically with this clip? Do I want to create a new clip from this one as well? Right now I have 2 clips if I wanted to do it that way. Let's go back to the original. Maybe you're like, right now it's just a minute, but maybe I want this clip to be longer. You highlight the text and you're like, I want to make this one a little bit thing so it's a little bit better. Add to the clip, make it a little bit longer, so now it's a minute 13. Or maybe I want to make it shorter. And then you can trim it. So you just made it shorter, just the 30-second one as well. And what's really nice about this, I'm going to just do this one here so we can get a better look at it, is that you can decide, do you want captions? Do you want captions specifically for this? And if so, you can choose your caption style very easily. You can do some by default. You can create your own as well. So it makes it very easy for you to just go in and create additional video clips from the video content that you have. And it's very helpful. It's one of my favorite new features in HubSpot. So, and as you can see, once you're done, you can go ahead and export that specific clip, which is pretty helpful as well. Is that this allows you to create a lot of different types of content very quickly based on something that you initially have so that you can just go through and start repurposing different things without having to create it from scratch. So if you have not tried out the content remix yet in HubSpot, I would say definitely give it a shot. It makes things a lot simpler and a lot faster. Anyway, we hope you found this helpful. Talk to you next time.